Hey, look, I'm back. Day 2, working on this PTAC. I actually ran out of time last night because of the end of my shift, and I had to leave on time because I had an appointment to get to, so I didn't get it done. But now that I'm here, I'm finishing this detail up, and I know I kind of cut myself off yesterday with the whole don't forget to turn power off kind of thing. This is kind of what it looks like now that I finished putting it back together. So there you have it. Got it all put back together, put it back inside with some new caps on after cutting off all the broken pieces. Oh, sorry. But obviously I still got a little bit of a burn mark back there, but that's okay considering, unfortunately, it's just the way it was, but it's safe. All the wiring inside back here looks good. So I am now going to turn this unit on and see if it works. And there you have it. We got success. We have power. It is operational now. So now it's just a matter of warming this nice and chilly room back up to a more comfortable temperature for my guests. So I'm going to release it in my software and move on from here. Thanks for watching.